What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a good day. And today, I don't know why the hell that's there. Today, I'm going to be going over May 28th, 2024's recap. Today was a perfect, beautiful trade setup and a perfect entry. Before I get into that, I'm going to show you how much I made real quick. Okay, so today's profit was $850, as you can see right here. And we're about to pass the account, hopefully pretty soon. I only need to make 1,000 more on this. But that could take up to this whole week or maybe even some next week. But anyways, I'm going to get into the trade today, and hopefully you can learn from it. Alright, so first thing first, I'm on the 4 hour time frame right now, and there's all these reasons for me being bearish, okay? Number one, and by the way, I changed my buys literally in the morning. So before, like last night, I was doing my analysis and I was bullish. But then when I looked at it in the morning, it looked a lot more bearish to me than it did bullish. So I quickly changed it to bearish before market opened, and these are the reasons why. Number one was that there was SMT at hourly highs. So if I go on the hourly time frame, this high on ES wasn't taken out. But right here on that same spot, this was taken out, so that's SMT divergence right there. And then second reason was there was a 3-drive pattern on the 4 hours, so that's a pretty high confluence. I know we didn't sweep this main liquidity before going down, but ICT himself says that if you have a 3-drive pattern before even touching this, it still counts as a pretty negative result or a bearish result. And then number three, if you go on ES, we are in the 0.705 area. We were at least. So if you draw out a fib from that high to this low right here, 0.705 area is this. And we were almost like around that area, so that's why I considered it that. And now I'll go back to NQ real quick. And my fourth reason, this is one of the main ones. So number 1, 2, and 4 are my main strongest ones. Number 4 was there's a lot of generated sell side liquidity that needs to be taken. Okay, what does that mean? So if you got lucky enough, some people got lucky enough to buy here, they're gonna be still in profit, right? Boom, boom, boom. And the market gave them another chance to buy right here because it didn't stop them out. It didn't stop these people out, so they bought again here. Same thing over here on this low, Same thing here on this low. 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 So there's a lot of generated sell side liquidity that the market needs to take out before moving up higher. Okay, if it's gonna move up higher. And my target was just this equal high rate, equal low right here, because this is generated sell side liquidity, and also it's equal lows. And this is time-based liquidity because this was the 8:30 low of May 27th. Okay, so yesterday's 8:30 low. But those are my reasons for bearishness. Now let's get into the trade. So I know there's a lot of stuff that you can see on my screen. Some of it doesn't really matter. Like this fair value gap I drew out pre-market. I wrote strong reaction. We will see a strong reaction if we go up to it, and that's exactly what's happening. We literally tapped into it in the PM session, or not even PM session. At 4 o'clock, we tapped into it. Now we're just going down. But this doesn't really matter. What does matter is what I'm going to show you right now. Midnight opening, this is a line for midnight opening, right? And this is a line for 8:30 opening. I was bearish, so I'm looking for some sort of manipulation to the upside. And what's above that, there's equal highs, 15-minute equal highs right here. I was waiting for that sweep before I entered into a short. And there was also fair value gaps here that could have protected me also. So then, at exactly 9:30, we got swept. We swept above those highs and we started dropping down literally so fast. You'll see right now in a second. So after we sweep this, we go down to a 3-minute. This right here is a sweep candle. I know it's kind of hard to see because it's like overlapping with the 9:30 opening line that I marked out. But boom, we sweep and then we displace down lower below this low right here. This is the low I was waiting for to get broken past. Boom, we right here we did that. And after that, we aggressively moved down again. We made a 3-minute fair value gap right here. And I'll mark it out for you in case you don't see it. 1 second. Boom. 3-minute fair value gap. My entry for short was right here. As soon as price tapped in, like it was just beautiful delivery by price today. My stop loss was this high right here, and my TP I was targeting this line right here, which I said I would hold on to, which was the time-based liquidity that I mentioned earlier. Already hold TP to here. That was written pre-market, and this is the 9 o'clock around 8:30ish low of yesterday that has to be taken out before we move high. And that's exactly what happened. Boom, we take it out and we start rebalancing that whole range. But in literally, let's count. One candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, and about 3 candles, each 3-minute long. So in about 9 minutes, I made it $850. Okay. Now take that how you would like, but this is a very, very useful skill if you can learn it in your life. Okay. And I'm here to teach it to you for free. I'm not about to ask you for a single penny. All I ask is you subscribe in return. You know, it'll help me out a lot too. And you'll be getting free knowledge from me. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Peace out for now.